Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, folks, boy, it has been a long time. Let's see, what's Dean been up to? I have been up to breaking 3 ribs. And I tripped when little Sophie's rope got tangled around my feet. Oh, got to do another flu. Still having bad back problems from my osteoporosis. But you know what? I got this. Today we're gonna pour. This is a really neat, well-defined 3D dragon for our old friend Silver Baggins, that is now Silver Dragon. So we're gonna get this all set up. Get my warming torch happening here. And we're gonna make a piece for Silver Baggins, and if I have time today, I am going to do some little Kit Kat bars. I've never done any. I've got 2 molds. I ordered 1 and got 2. One is 1 ounce, and the other one's 1.5 ounces, or a little bit better, but we'll find out when we get there. So let me get everything all set up here. That little dragon takes 3 ounces, so we'll get that all weighed up. Oh, the little fruit cups here, they work great. Zero it up. Let's get 3 ounces in. And a little bit. You always got to have a little bit. Some does go for evaporation. 3026. 3032. Now that ought to be just about enough, but let's go to 3.109 for my young son, as he likes to call me, Papa Dean. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Bye. Okay. Oh, there we got just my small crucible, all topped up, a little over 3 ounces. Oh boy, I sure have missed being out here. But I see a bloody pack rat has moved into the shop. I had to vacuum up a bunch of rat and mouse poop. So I guess it's time to declare war again. Oh well, here we go. Well, alright folks. Yeah. You know, I must have to thank Canadian Silver Saver for doing such a great job on my videos. I'm about as sharp as a river stone when it comes to doing that kind of stuff. And he just does such a wonderful job. So, it's always good to mention your friends. And he has turned out to be a great friend. So, I think we're pretty much ready. Do a little pouring. let that cool down a little bit, and I'll be back. I'm gonna go and get my Kit Kat molds from the truck. Well, pour looks good. Let's get it over and give it a bath. Oh, love that sound. Let's see if we can get this one. Yeah, goes like that. So there you go, Baggins Dragon. That one's for you, bud. Take her home and get her stamped up and give it a tumble, and we'll get it on the way to you. And next we have these two little Kit Kats. I ordered this one, and he sent me this one for free. I can't complain with that. We'll get set up and see what we can do about pouring some of these. So now, folks, looks like I had a crucible sort of pack it in. It made that pour a little light, but I will get another one of these all glassed up. I got lots of them. So I went back to good old faithful, and we'll work with this. Once again, we'll be back for the pour. See you in a bit. Okay, now, that first pour took about, I don't know, 15 minutes to make happen. Just because everything's cold. But this little 1 ounce one is just a little over 5 minutes, which is real nice. You've got to like that. Takes less time. So let's pour my very first Kit Kat bar. There we go. Give it a quick check. Yep, everything looks good. That is that. Let me load up another one. And so that was the 1 ounce. And let's go for 1.5 ounces on the bigger one here. See you in a bit. Well, alright, folks. So we got the bigger of the two molds happening here. Let us pour up 1.5 ounces in a bit and see what we get. Turned out kind of neat. And I forgot to give the first one some texture, but it turned out kind of neat. Let's give this one a quick bath and have a look. I kind of like the way it turned out with the torch lines on it. It's easy to forget to do. Ooh. Okay. Love it. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, and it should be all ready to handle. Okay. Yeah, it turned out pretty nice. So if there's anybody that wants some of these little Kit Kat bars, just let myself or Canadian Silver Saver know, and we'll get them off to you. I'm no longer pouring just for the sake of pouring and hoping stuff sells. So I do have all my older molds, and now these new Kit Kats. I'm going to look for a larger Kit Kat, and I've got a fellow interested in a Kit Kat type wood pour. Fine fellow by the name of Value Hunter. So I'll try and get back to you a little bit more often now. It's been a while, and I've really missed doing these for you guys. So y'all take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. And comment. I love chatting with you folks. Take care now. Bye-bye.